pick up really smaller beads of the crystal clear. When it's clear, it's still wet, it's a perfect time for you to add some of your maple leaves. The pumpkin. For 6 color, you can ombre any colors you want. I'm going to pick like a pumpkin and do it right is above the, I want to blend the ombre first. This is pumpkin. And then the second bead, you can do it closer to the cuticle as possible. Looks really good. Now I'm gonna cap this. The important, we're gonna cap it closer to the cuticle. Time is the best way for people doing this way. It works the best for them, but then your way is gonna be a different, and it works the best for you. What is work the best for you, and use it. You know, go with your heart. You know. So great. So let it set.